Hi there, good morning, y'all. It's me, Jonathan Reels. God bless you. Please subscribe and give a like to the channel. Wake up early in the morning. This is my camshaft sensor. You can see it down there. You see the camshaft down there, right? That shit look pretty new. Music makes me happy for you. Just the old one. It's alright. It's not that bad, but since my brother had it for a while, I just want to make sure I give it some love. Right there, look at that camshaft, boy. Look at that baby in there. That oil looks freaking golden. Alright, man, have a great day. God bless you. Put the camshaft sensor on it. Y'all want to stay and watch? It's fine with me. One hand, I'm sorry, I apologize.